Since the Tajik civil war ended in 1997, Ойниҳол Bobonazarova has worked tirelessly to draw attention to women's rights, torture in detention centers, and the plight of Tajik migrant laborers. In September 2013, Ms. Bobonazarova became the first ever female candidate for president of Tajikistan when the only Islamic political party in Central Asia nominated her as its standard-bearer. Despite an unsuccessful bid, her nomination shattered one of the highest of glass ceilings and set an important precedent for women in politics. In the time since, she has continued to speak out against torture and has been instrumental in working to establish the first independent prison monitoring program since prisons were closed to outside access in 2004. For fearlessly advocating the rights of women and labor migrants and fighting to end torture in Tajik detention centers, we name Ойниҳол Bobonazarova a woman of courage.